Okay.
Why, what happened?
I'm going to Philippines.
Going to Philippines. Where you're going to Jadek. All the time run.
And they're going to
So guys, we
Philippines.
changed the airplane. Diba last time we are using the Qatar. But now we are in Etihad. Etihad na yung sasakyan natin na airplane. Etihad kasi mas cheaper siya kaysa sa Qatar. But meron sana ako doong priority sa Qatar Airways. But much better, much cheaper man ang Etihad. So, anyways, nandito na kami sa airport. Lily is there, Muragi Pitok. Mati is here.
Mama, I'm
And
vlogging.
I don't know why si Tata na ako, Ewan ko anong problema. Pero hindi pa kami pina-check in. Don't go.
And and
So,
Mama, look.
okay, finally done check in our luggage and now we're going to checking counter. Magpapa-check na tayo ng ating mga bag. So, dyan. Not allowed camera. So, see you guys later. Bye-bye. Hi guys! Kung ikaw ay nasa Europa or United Kingdom ngayon at naghahanap ka ng aplikasyon na mabilis gamitin every time na magpapadala ka ng pera sa Pilipinas, guys, ire-recommenda ko talaga itong si TransferGo na matagal ko nang ginagamit. So as we all know, hindi natin na-expect no na merong mga problemang dumarating sa atin sa Pilipinas like emergency. So si TransferGo lagi ang aking sidekick. Para magamit mo ang TransferGo application, kailangan mo muna siyang i-download and after that, mag-register ka lamang gamit ang iyong account number kung nasaan ka man dito sa Europa. At makakasend ka na gamit ang iyong TransferGo account directly sa GCash at
Shopee Pay!
At sa lahat naman ng mga newly registered ng ating TransferGo or new member, huwag nyo lang kalimutan gamitin ang ating promo code Pinoy2026 para makalibre kayo sa inyong 2 first transaction.
Yes!
Finally, nasa playground na tayo mga be. And look at our background. Like sa gate natin. Which is good kasi malapit lang tayo sa gate na meron ding playground malapit sa gate. So, good. Makahayahay ko no, kay kapoy ko. Galabad akong ulo, kailangan ko ng kape, naglo-loading pa ako, and then, ang dami ko pang iniisip, na yung ating problema, kay back and forth, side by side. And tingnan nyo naman yan. So, hindi na pala, ayun na nga, hindi tayo sa Qatar kasi mahal mo sa Qatar. Meron sana ako doon, priority ako doon. Like silver or something. So, every time na musakay mi og Qatar, kami mag-una mi ben. Kay priority man kuno mi kay sa Qatar na biya mi nga, Qatar biya mi murag suki na mi sa Qatar ba. Pero kayo nag-change kami ng way. Kasi nga, why not try? Kasi barato ra kay sa Qatar gani. Then, tingnan natin kasi first time naming sumakay dito sa Itadha, yung pinakita ko kanina. Itadha, first time namin sa Qatar kay okay lang ang biyahe, hindi masyadong turbulence. Tingnan natin sa Itadha, itong company na to kung unsa atong biyahe later no ug unsa ilang mga foodie of course kasi mahaba-haba yung biyahe natin from here sa Poland papuntang Dubai layover natin Dubai hindi na sa Qatar Dubai na so 5 hours kapin going to Dubai then after that kay mulargada na ta pabalik ng Pilipinas mga 9 to 10 hours ata guys depende no kay napiyay pa nagsta madelay ang biyahe but let's check how our travel journey will look like this time. Mara majabad akong looks. Ato arang travel journey ang kuan. Ang mulahi. Kay lahi naman atong airplane. Lahi na atong F-plan. Pero the same radyo punta og F4. Kasi mati nandoon. Ayan, may kape ako. Thank you. Thank you so much. There's coffee with sugar daddy.
Yes,
With sugar daddy? Oh, good
I
job.
added that boko juice from ourselves.
Oh, thank you so much. It's virus, I don't like Boko juice because it's virus. Why you
It's your
drink?
problem. You don't like bocachos.
Why you drink? You're sick and now I will get sick na. Agoroy.
Agoroy, agoroy.
Agoroy ka. So can you make a video photo for me? Okay guys, we're inside the airplane.
Mama,
Tata is in the other planet and nandito kami ngayon
Mama, how
sa
to play
planet
games with this? Does they have
40
gloves?
ABC.
Lego?
40 ABC.
Does they have gloves, Peppa?
So,
Mama, how to play games with this?
I don't know how to play games, Mati.
I don't know how to play
What are you doing there, Lily? Na, you want to sleep? Don't sleep. You sleep only later, okay? Basta mangulangot na siya, kaya ganahan na siya mo sleep. Watch your ano, do not sleep, okay? Watch your TV. Don't sleep. Hey, hey. I'm excited. So, nandito na kami sa ano, no, sa airplane. Na-excited na ako, guys. Na nandito na kami sa airplane. Like, kahapon or kanina, hindi ako excited. Pero ngayon, nandito sa airplane. I'm excited and God bless us, Lord. Guide us to our journey and keep us safe. Mamuyo sa tanaw, iporta mo fly. So, did you play already?
Mama, can you find for like this in here because
I didn't touch that.
can you find something like this?
Look what Mati have. So they have the gift.
Yes, back.
Very nice. So meron silang gift from the airplane. Meron pa silang book na binigay. Lily also have. Wow, so ito yung kanilang binigay. Very nice.
What's more inside?
Book.
Sure.
Book. Yeah, that one. Color pencils and a book. What do you want, love?
Right.
So, nagbigay na sila. It means we are going na. Talargada na tayo. Tada! Everyone is settled. Announcement. Ang ganda nila dito kasi meron silang remote. So, we have here for our breakfast. Lily is sleeping, guys. Tata is there. Mati have pasta. Is it hot? Did you pray already? Pray silently. Mr. Tina. So I have here. First, I will eat first. I have wow, so yummy. So let's check there. Guys,
Yay! Mama.
malapit. So si Lily, mamaya na natin pakainin. Patulugin mo muna natin siya ng 10 minutes. Then later we can wake her up. Sarap naman nilang yung chicken na sa ilalim. Ang laki pa naman ng kibwa. Sarap ng rice bake. Oo, ang laki ng kibwa. So, ito yung breakfast namin. 12 noon na. Late kasi tayo lumipad kasi na-delayed yung flight natin ngayon. Like half hour yung delay, half to 1 hour. Tagal tayong nakalipad guys. Anyway, 5 hours lang din naman yung ano, yung travel going to Dubai.
Yay!
Daming chicken. Look, ang sarap. Yung gutom na gutom ka ba? Lahat ng pagkain masarap. Tapos ang dami pang chicken sa ko. Sarap pa kayo ng pagkain. Of course, rice is that. Ingredients.
Jeśli mamy jeszcze jesteśmy, zakładać cytowane pasażerz,
Ej, a ja ci mogę ci pokazać tylko atak ostateczny mój.
nie, bo ja bym chciał czuć przerwę, i zjadł.
O. Jej!
Later as well. Eat first.
Próbowałam i nie lubię.
In fairness, marami silang chicken. Daming chicken sa loob ng rice. Nakatago. Hindi lang rice lang ba? Hindi siya gaya sa ating chine-check ko. Every time ako lumulunok, chine-check ko yung aking wire. Kasi yung kabila kasi na side na putol na ito na kuyawan gani ko kasi niya muna ako po. Sila hindi pa gumising.
Yes! Boy!
Puti na lang.
I have chicken rice.
Hindi na talaga ako ito pagkain ng kahit na ano kasi ang sarap niya. Hmm? Gusto ko na dito gusto ko na ito na lang yung sasakyan kasi ang sarap ng pagkain. Pero may minus. Pero hindi naman siya big deal. Ba't sasabihin ko sa inyo? Yan, so minus na naman eh. May share ako sa inyo mamaya. Marites time. Ay, ayun na ba? Maya na lang. Ha? What do you want?
Yay!
Gusto nga ipa-open. Pinili pa-open yung bread. Paano ko? Gahit ayo. Hindi siya gaya sa ano ba sa Qatar na pag i-serve nila kay mainit. So soft yung bread. Dito kay lamig. Murag imong gugma. Imong gugma po. Tapos isa pa. Ano, like, sabi ko, di ba natutog si Lily? Di daw nila maipangako na mabigay nila kung ano daw yung gusto ko. Kasi kung ano lang daw yung available at maybe hindi na daw hot yung pagkain. Kaya yung ginawa ko, kanang kinuha ko na lang yung pudi ni Lily. Then, ay, sige ko na lang nag-grab sa upay. Like, mag-change. Mag-ano kami ba? At least meron lang space dito ba sa akin. Si Lily na naman yung kakain. Yan. Hindi man siya matunay ang battery. Hindi matunaw kasi hindi man siya ano ba? Hindi siya mainit. Pero pag baon si Jusuk, na kailangan ba yung initong basta baon siya.
Check smart HP.
Sige, surveillance na. So, no, na-feel rin yung surveillance sa pagsabi. Tama. Guidance. Sige, kami surveillance doon. First time eh, namo ko na sumakay nitong airplane na itadha. Itadha, hindi ko pa. Kasi Qatar lover yan. Ang mga Qatar lover kami. Then, ayun na nga, chill. Mas naka-chill kami dito, mas. Dito kami na, chilos na. Sarap. Usually, pag nagsaserve yung Qatar Airways sa app, hindi ko nauupos. Kasi iba kasi yung mino nila. Ngayon, wala. Tilo. So I have apple juice. Hindi kayo kumain ng liquid. Pag nasa airplane ako, kasi ihi-ihi ko yun. Maglagi pero, kailangan natin uminom para hindi tayo ma-dehydrate. Kaon. Kaon tatakaw. Si Lily tulog. Tira. Lily? Mata na Lily. Kaya makaon na ta Lily. So si Mati, juicy. Ipili ra niya iyang pasta. So aside from that, meron silang ice cream. Lily Breens ice cream. Ayan. Meron sila nito, Lily Breens. And then, meron pa silang salad. Of course, dili halinon ang salad, Ewan ko anong lasa na ito. Try natin. Yung pagkain na dito. Hindi ako mahilig kumain ng bread. Kasi nung nasa Sisters of Mary kami, everyday kami nagbe-bread. So, nung nakalabas ako ng Sisters of Mary, hindi na ako mostly kumakain ng bread. Kasi parang namin gusto ko. Like, everyday we nagbe-bread sa Sisters of Mary. So, they have here, I don't know, try natin. Sweet potato. Ang sarap. Malamig lang. Pero masarap siya. Gusto ko ganun na ako. Lord. Busog kayo ko. I'm too full.
What do you eat?
Chicken and rice, my favorite. Mati have the... You want pasta?
Okay, thanks so much.
Mati, I will look at it for you.
Okay, just put it
Try that.
not a pasta.
You want to eat more pasta? Eat the vegetable. Because Mati don't like. We have vegetable. Mati's not eating vegetable.
Oh, this?
I think masarap din yung kanilang pasta. Ewan ko, parang si Tata pag kumain, lahat masarap. Pero masarap. Masarap siya. Malamig. Pero masarap.
I want the lily. Lily want the beef.
No, no, chicken and rice. She likes chicken.
I'm not gonna do the
So under the sweet potato, yung may nakatagong ano, what do you call with this? Hala, ano to? Salmon? Ah,
the salad.
ito din salmon. Some sauce and corn.
Eat all green. Eat all green.
I'm not that man. Let all green daw. Baka may... Ay, you ask butter. Tell butter. After butter. Okay. Hingi daw siya ng juice. Kainin natin ito. Hihingi daw si Mati ng juice.
Tak, słucham. Co chciałeś? No, jakiego? Jabłkowy sok. Proszę bardzo, daj. Też tam daj. No, bardzo ładnie. Proszę cię. Co będzie? I didn't know you were behind
It's
me.
hard.
You okay? Yeah. Co będzie chciał?
It's very hard.
Proszę bardzo.
But it's hard.
I'm scared I will eat my
It's
wire.
not good.
Dahil we cannot eat hard. I can't eat this because it's very hard. Of course, not cooked because it's salad, no? But I cannot really eat the hard one. Yes, Mati? So, good. Gisingin na natin si Lily. Tapos ako kumain. Ako nung kumain, Ben. Unang pumunta na ako. Of course, uminom tayo ng tubig. Yung isang drum na tubig. Tata, I will go to toilet after. I will go to toilet later.
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 What?
Toilet later, Bigo. Diba, para kaming in-check pag kami nag-uusap ni Carol. Kasi hindi siya makaintindi pag nag-aayos ako ng English. Like, you know, hindi naman perfect yung grammar ko, pero pag ginagawa kong sentences, hindi siya nakakaintindi. Nakakaintindi siya ng ichikwakang sukakalibang. Salamat. Ito lang yung tubig nila, guys. Made in Germany din. Point to liter. What I don't like every time na kumain ako, no, yung mga sagbot or sa banaliha nasa loob ng wire. Kaya gusto ko siyang ipatanggal kasi dami niya, maraming tik-tik sa loob, guys. Nahirapan ako. Like every time na kumakain ako, kailangan kulito-tubo siya na ako ng tulahayos na ito. Tissue do. Ako na ay pang kulito, guys. Tissue. Ang gani kay gibutangan nila pang kulito kung apil, guys. Kaya wala man to last time sa Qatar Airways, wala sila pang kulito. Or wala radyon ko na nangukabog taman. Drink everything. First time na ubos ko. So, yung imamarites ko sa inyo. Diba sa Qatar Airways, yung kaibahan is Qatar Airways, pag may nalaglag na something, yung staff nila, pag nakita yan, pag nakita, of course, kasi tumitingin yan sila every aisle. Pag nakita nila, kay kukunin nila, ibibigay nila sa atin. Dito, like, ilang stop na yung namaan, 3 or 4. Hindi. Walang may kumuha. Like, ano ba, parang hindi siguro nila, like, hindi, parang hindi sa ilaha, ganyan sa, hindi sila safe ka. Yung kaibahan lang ha, sa Qatar, dito, yung nadagdag yung pilo, kahit 4 pa na stop yung makikita, hindi nila kinuha. Pero doon sa Qatar, kinuha nila. Pero sa akin na gusto ko dito is gusto ko yung pagkain. It doesn't matter din naman na matagtag yung pino. Pwede ko rin naman siyang kunin, no? Kaya lang, of course, yung aking belt, kailangan ko pag-kunin. But anyway, kinuha ko rin naman. Hindi ako nag-relam na. I'm just like differentiating that too much. Flat. Pero cheap ilaha ko ba? Cheap ilaha ilang ticket. Yeah. What else? So far ka na pa ako Marites. Sakay na medyo ilang pagkaon guys. Ang pagkaon short na guys. So si Lily guys is tulog pa rin. And update ko kayo mamaya kayo mga iniingis ako. Kaya medyo kayo ilang pagkaon. Urot magaling ako. See you guys later. O si Mati habit na maubos. Yung foodie Lami lang. Lami. Sayo-sayo siya sa kalami Sayo-sayo makamati. Lami kayo? The turbulence.
Am I gonna go landing?
No. We still have 1 hour. It's just the turbulence.
Mama, can you turn off this? Press button. But I don't turn off the game.
Kinakabahan talaga ako pag pagtuturbulence, guys.
I just turn off the game. Then I can turn off games. Press something and I can go on YouTube.
Having a crew, take your seat immediately.
How many hours more? Yeah, I have milk. How many hours more? How many hours?
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to air and if you remain seated and keep your seat belt on. Please do not use the run.
You need to wait because the pilot have the announcement. You need to buckle up now, seatbelt. Because it's... Gaya na kumain.
Mommy, I want
Ayan.
this is my bottle.
How many hours more before landing?
1.5.
1.5 hour more before landing. Gaya na kumain. Lord. Sorry, yung problema, yung water bottle. Hey, you will get wet.
Mama, I cannot swim.
Here. Here, or drink a little bit. Oh, thank you, Lord. Nahunong na chud. Nahunong na chud. Dugay kayo na man. No, alam mo yung feeling na uyog-uyog ang airplane. Yeah, tagal pa na mga pila to ka minuto po. 5? Parang sanay naman sa labas. Gublaan. Up here. Kuya. High five. It's high five.
Hi.
2 hours. 2 hours.
2 hours.
2 hours. Gonna be 2 hours third grade. 2 hours. I'm a half.
It's not working, my love.
Mama. Mama, so close. Where's the bottle? Emergency. Emergency. No, give me my pencil back.
I don't have your pencil, my love. Why are you acting like that? Huh? Did I owe you?
Yeah.
I don't have your pencil. So you must say please if you want me to
Please.
find it. You are not being nice. You need to be nice.
Please, mommy.
I will look for it. I will try to look, but don't say like that. Can I have your pencil back? You don't. I don't know where you put your pencil. I know you're asking me if you can. I see only one piece.
What?
You don't know how to say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama.
Where's the cardboard?
Agoy ko. I don't know. Ay. Preparing for landing to Abu Dhabi. Tulog pa si Mati. Nagtulog-tulogan pa. Late nakatulog, but at least nakatulog siya. Ako may wala. Zero balance ngayon. Hopefully next flight hopefully makatulog na siya no, kaya ako wala. Tulugan kayo ko guys. Ang aga ko gumising around 3 or 4 a.m. Yeah. So, gabi ba tayo darating sa Pilipinas? Like, gabi. 6 a.m. kaming lumaragada papunta ng airport. Our flight is supposed to be 10 a.m. But na-delay, naging almost 11 a.m. na delay. So, ayun. Layover to Abu Dhabi. So, see you guys later. Percent.
You power bar.
Yeah, yeah.